Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change font style in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and now you want to change your font styles, let's see how we can do this. Just open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for display option. Tap on it, and here just scroll down again and you will get font size and style. Just tap on it, then tap on font style. Here you will get different fonts. You must have to tap on anyone which you want to set as your system font style. If you want to get any more option from here, you just have to tap on download fonts, and here you can easily download different fonts from the Samsung Galaxy store. You must have to select anyone which you want. As I'm going to download, let's say this one, you just have to tap on download icon, and here just wait for its downloading and installing process. Wait for that, then tap on it, and here just tap on apply. In this way you can easily change your system font, as you can see here. So that's how you can easily change your font style in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.